I wanted to share a mindset that I'd like to adopt whenever I'm going to a training event or some sort of conference or industry practitioner gathering. Those things could be super helpful, but also super intense. In fact, the better prepared the event is, the richer the content and the richer the opportunities to mingle and interact with others, and it could be a bit overwhelming and disorienting. So I like to play a game with myself in which I tell myself that I am on a treasure hunt where I know for sure that by the end of the event, there will be one golden nugget of knowledge or insight that would really make a positive difference in my life. And I would meet one person who would really will have a special moment that would really impact me and influence me. But going in, I don't know who that person is or what that content is, so I have to be open-minded and I have to be like a explorer who is looking for gold through the waters and sifting through all that stones and pebbles until I find the one golden nugget that I would take away with me, and that would make this whole experience worthwhile. So that's what I do. I'm enjoying everything, and I have my antennas up for, could this be the nugget? Could this conversation and this person be the person, the special mystery person that I am waiting on? Try it on and tell me how it works.